easy.
Perfect. Bring him over here. Get that rod towards me.
Oh, it's a big one.
Well, good morning. Welcome back to the Quest cabin.
Right.
So it's about 7 o'clock this morning. We had some major heavy rain last night.
We did.
Yep. I mean, of all times to be coming up here to have a night, it was good to stay in the cabin.
Yeah, it was.
So we're gonna take a little walk down to the lake here and get some water so we can do some coffee and breakfast. Got the little pot fire stove going in the cabin. It was just a little damp, a little chilled, you know, from all the rain, but it's gonna be good. It's warm. It's warming up nicely. We'll have bacon and eggs for breakfast. But yeah, everything's really soggy out here. We are on our way down to the lake.
Yeah. Look at that bucket they left in the cabin that says drinking water only.
Ooh, nice and muddy.
Yeah. Yeah, it rained like crazy last night.
I mean, heavy downpour.
I know. Those poor little tenters.
Oh, coffee's made.
Yeah, we're good. It's a little chilly.
Yep.
It's just damp though.
Very damp.
That's all. And I think I want to check out the other two cabins today.
We'll
Just do
go
a little
walkabout.
walk. Yeah, a little walkabout, kind of see what their kind of, access to the water area is. And then it looks like kind of everything is lifting here. So it's going to be a nice day in the water.
Hopefully we don't get skunked fishing today.
Because I'm going to say, fish on! But in the meantime, it's just coffee outside and enjoy zero noise. Morning again. Okay, so we're just going for a little morning walk. We're going to go check out the other two cabin sites. There's a Mirror Lake 4 and a Mirror Lake 8. So we're just going to follow the blue blazes and have a little coffee walk. Let's check it out.
Yeah, sun's starting to peek through. Might be some fish right here.
Pardon?
So there might be some fish right here.
I think I fish, honey. Fish on.
Do you?
Fish on.
Pull it up. Yank,
Biting.
yank up. You don't got a fish.
He ate some of my worm. Here.
All right, we're in the hot spot.
I'm also in the alder bush here.
The alder bush is fine.
Okay, ready?
I think I'm gonna hook myself with a worm.
Yeah, they like the worms.
And if anybody wants to know, I'm using a Cast King Blackhawk 2 telescoping rod. Telescopic rod. Really nice. And I got the Cast King Shark 2, I believe. Reel. Yeah, this rod's really nice. Light, graphite. Oh, I can't remember what the specs are. Here we go. It is, I got the Action Fast, the BK2 T566 ML. So power is medium. Line weight is, 6 to 12 pound test. Lure 1/8 to ½ ounce. So yeah, just an all general kind of thing. I think I'm no professional angler. I just like to fish, have fun. Didn't think about it. Should have brought the saw with us.
Oh man.
A lot of dead wood along the lake.
We can still do it, not have to come up here, but not as far. We never thought about that because we did that before when we were camping.
Yeah, we did that when we were in Algonquin.
We did.
Fish on!
Fish on!
Fish on! Oh.
Or it's a stick. Oh, honey, fish on.
Got one?
Look.
Keep that rod up. Keep that rod up. Rod up.
Either that or I'm caught something.
Yeah, you probably caught something like me. Hey, you got any worm left?
Yeah.
Okay. Loving the color.
Come on, sunshine.
No sunshine, that means the fishing's gonna go get worse.
It's gonna get worse? Okay, honey.
Let's head over to that dead wood over there.
Over here?
No.
Here.
Yep.
Straight ahead that way? Okay.
Yep. Pull us in. Pull us in more, honey.
Closer?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to see if I can break some of these bigger ones.
Some I just can't break, honey.
Okay, that's fine. Just we need to get just a few pieces here. Now let's collect some more wood up here. Fish on. I think I... Yep, I got a fish, honey.
Yeah! There you go.
Yeah, a little one.
Where'd you get, can you get to the net? Oh, he's a baby.
Oh, look at him. He's a nice little guy.
Okay, cool.
He's a baby.
All right, that gave me hope, honey.
No skunk, honey.
No skunk. That's good. Spider for the female will freeze.
No skunk, hon.
All right, that's good. Oh, here comes the carp again.
Oh! Yay! Oh!
My worm! Oh.
Close it.
Okay. Okay, well, we know there's fish here.
Yep. Just gotta make sure when you feel them, you gotta yank that
up
and hold that pole up high, because remember I removed the barbs on all of our hooks.
Right, which I'm glad you did.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Fish on. It's a little guy. I'm talking little.
Oh, another little guy.
Little baby bass.
I love it. Oh, they're loving the worms.
Yep. There we go.
Again?
Yeah, this one's got a little fight to it.
Oh, cool.
All right, another fish on. Ooh. All right, what we got here? Whoa.
Oh, you got a bigger fish?
Oh.
Oh, oh fish on, honey.
All righty. Oh, ooh, nice, honey. Pull him in. Oh, good one. Bring him in here. Get him over the boat. Get him over the boat before he wiggles off. Oh, it's a nice trout, honey.
Did you get a trout?
Yeah.
He's not a keeper, though. No. All right. Wait a minute. I gotta back it up. Fish on.
Yep, fish on.
Okay. We gotta get to the big ones now.
Here we go. I got a little one. Oh, he hopped off. What the? Open your bail keel.
Oh, fish on, honey.
Here you go. What you got?
I don't know. I got something. It's a fighter.
You got a baby bit. You got another baby brown.
Well, they like me.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Or no, that's a baby bass. Or I don't know what kind of fish. Actually,
I think the other fish they were saying that was in this lake is a splake.
that could be
I
it.
don't know what a splake is. Here, I'll let my splake feel that. Here.
There we go. There we go. Oh, you frick! Come on, get it. There you go. I got him. I got him.
Another little one.
Got him that time.
Yeah, you did.
Hit it 3 times, little sucker.
You didn't even get the worm. That's the best kind.
There's blue sky now.
I know, it's beautiful.
He's got it.
Yeah!
Look,
What'd you get?
bat.
Nice. I think they're splakes.
Yep, another little guy.
So 1 trout and then quite a few splakes.
Yeah.
I don't even know how many we caught today.
I don't know. I just cared that we caught something.
Me too. It was no skunk today, honey.
No skunk, right, Mike? No skunk. And Ray, he says no skunk. Yep, got one.
Yay!
Fish on. Fish off.
Let's get to the sunshine and just right in the middle and a couple more casts. We'll see if there's big fish in the middle, honey, okay?
Big fish in the middle, huh?
Let's see.
Well, we caught some fish. That's all that matters. You got one?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, keep that rod straight up. Keep that rod up. Is it wiggling on you?
Oh, I think so.
Bring it towards me.
Yep. Oh, that's heavy.
Perfect. Bring him over here. Get that rod towards me.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh, nice. Get him in the fish. Oh,
Get it.
hold it.
Get it.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Look at the size of that beauty.
I think I can officially join the fishing club. Oh, yeah. What is it?
That's like a carp, I think.
Oh, yeah, he's got the fisher, the sucker lips.
Yeah, look
That's
at that.
Okay. Let's put him back.
He's a beauty.
Oh.
Let me see, make sure my camera's on. I think we're recording. Look at that guy.
He's got fish
Oh,
lips.
you want to kiss him?
All right, let's do it again. That's the size, just not the kind, right?
Land ho!
No problem.
That's good enough.
Is it? I'm gonna take stuff out though. Yeah, we didn't need the baler.
It is 3:30.
That's awesome.
Well, hey y'all. So after an awesome little fishing trip, no skunk. Colleen caught the biggest fish. I'm just rebuilding this pit. This thing was a disaster. It was just, you know, full season of use. And I want to build it up kind of like a fire pit kind of deal where we can put our cooking grate across. There's a lot of rocks in here and such, so I'm just gonna build a nice little arch.
Camp juice break, my love?
Yeah. There's always time for camp juice. Let me get these pieces in here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, the cabins here are all fortified with saws and axes. This is pretty darn dull. Needs a little love. I always carry my Lansky puck stone. I made this little leather pouch for it, just to protect it. It does it up. So yeah, just had some scrap can't even talk. Too much camp juice, that's a problem. No, never too much camp juice. Anyways, yeah, just a scrap piece of leather laying around the house, and threw a little twine in it, put some holes. Yeah, little cinch style protective case. So we're gonna give it an edge. I'm not gonna use it at all tonight because we don't need to. We're just using small stuff, but someone down the road needs to use it, I'll put a nice little edge on for him. Yeah, that's a pretty rough edge. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be way better than when we found it. How's the fire coming there, darling?
Looking good.
Well, good evening.
Hello.
Welcome back to Keel Quest Cabin.
Could be.
Yeah, it's where the cool kids hang out.
That's true.
They had an awesome day on the lake. 3 hours, 4 hours.
4 hours.
And we are getting ready for Yahtzee.
Yeah, so because these cabins see a lot of traffic, and John told you last night how people left us like the vodka and blah, 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 and different, fun things, and Ziploc bags and candles and stuff like that. They leave playing cards. Another thing that they do is there's a journal here for the cabin. So we'll fill it up tomorrow morning with coffee and just do a little bit of a 2-day recap on, what we've done.
What we've seen.
If we've improved something, kind of like a pay it forward thing.
Right.
We've already done a couple of those things, but we can talk about that too. And yeah, so we're going to do that, which is kind of fun. But we're not going to play cards. We're going to play Yahtzee tonight. Yeah, let the challenge begin.
And the fire is properly put out. Doused it down with 2 big buckets of water.
We did.
Made a nice little fire pit slurry. And yeah, felt it. No heat.
Yep. And we're going to stay in for the rest of the night. John and I put a little fire in our wood stove. Got a candlelight, of course. And we have a big day ahead of us tomorrow.
Right. We have at least 8 miles of hiking.
We do. So we're going to play Yahtzee.
We'll see you all tomorrow.
And we'll see who wins.
Wait
a minute.
This
Game
guy.
choose time.
Game
Are you
on.
ready? Game on.
Y'all have a good night. All right. Let's see who goes first. You really have to put your name on it?
Yes. Because if someone looks back...
Okay. Help prevent soil erosion, stay on the trail. All right, so we're at the base and we are heading upwards. Mush, mush.